Sometimes all you need is a definition. What is an art journal? An art journal is a book with art created in it. Commonly, an art journal's pages are filled with paintings, drawings, collages, and mixed media projects. Oftentimes, an art journal emphasizes process over product and play and experimentation over perfection. Some pages are more free flow, get your energy out brainstorms, and other pages are more finished works of art. It's a personal, creative vessel in which self-expression, self-care, and self-growth can be key. Working to express yourself visually, spatially on the pages can enhance your mental health and well-being. The journal can be hand-bound with bookmaking techniques or purchased as a ready-made journal or sketchbook. I also like to work on loose pages and bind them later. Writing may be included on your pages, but it doesn't have to be used. Oftentimes, there's a main painting, drawing, or lettering, but there can also be just random experiments here and there. There should be no pressure or expectations in an art journal, and I like to say if you're following someone else's tutorial for an art journal page, try to make it your own somehow by changing something on it, or do it a second time in a way that's different from the teacher's example. Art journaling can be viewed as an umbrella term for many different types of art journals, such as a watercolor journal, travel journal, junk journal, nature journal, visual diary, urban sketchbook, art supply swatchbook, sketch notes, and more. Although if you're making one of those special focused art journals, you'll probably call it by its specialty name rather than say it's an art journal. My art journals are my personal bundles of creative joy.